2025 AJp PR7 650 is here. Built for riders who crave adventure and off-road excitement. This lightweight and powerful dual-sport motorcycle is designed to tackle the toughest terrains while offering smooth handling and reliability. Whether you're taking on rugged trails, open highways, or remote landscapes, the PR7 650 is a machine that delivers outstanding performance. The AJp PR7 650 features an aggressive and modern design that instantly catches attention. Its sleek bodywork, high front fender, and aerodynamic fairings contribute to its rugged yet stylish look. The striking graphics and sharp lines give the bike a premium, adventure-ready appeal. The blue LED headlight provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions, while the raised windshield offers protection against wind and debris. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, the PR7 650 balances strength and agility perfectly. The slim profile and ergonomic seat design ensure maximum comfort, allowing riders to maneuver easily during long journeys. The wide handlebar setup and strategically positioned foot pegs provide an optimal riding stance, making it suitable for both standing and seated riding positions. At the heart of the 2025 AJp PR7 650 is a 652cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers impressive power and torque. This robust engine ensures strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for adventure and enduro riders alike. The fuel injection system enhances efficiency, while the 6-speed gearbox provides precise control across various terrains. Whether climbing steep hills or cruising on highways, the PR7 650 offers a seamless riding experience. The suspension setup is designed for extreme off-road conditions. The fully adjustable front forks and rear shock absorber provide excellent damping, ensuring stability on rocky trails and uneven surfaces. With high ground clearance and long travel suspension, this bike effortlessly handles jumps, bumps, and rough paths, making it perfect for serious adventurers. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a high-performance braking system featuring a large front and rear disc setup. This ensures excellent stopping power, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knobby off-road tires provide exceptional grip, giving riders confidence on loose dirt, gravel, and muddy paths. Another standout feature of the PR7 650 is its advanced digital instrument cluster, offering real-time riding data, speed, trip information, and fuel level indicators. The bike is also equipped with a durable skid plate to protect the engine from impact, making it ideal for extreme off-road challenges. The fuel tank capacity ensures extended riding range, reducing the need for frequent refueling on long-distance trips. The exhaust system is designed to be lightweight while delivering a deep, aggressive sound that complements the bike's powerful nature. Overall, the 2025 AJp PR7 650 is a true adventure machine. With its race-inspired engineering, rugged design, and outstanding performance, it's built for riders who love exploring beyond the limits. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or an adventure seeker looking for a reliable companion, the PR7 650 is ready to take you on an unforgettable journey. Stay tuned for more exciting motorcycle reviews, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for the latest updates on the best bikes in the industry.